How challenging can it be to build this spider in less than 24 hours? I see here it says assembling, it should take around 8 hours. But for me, between building it and recording everything, it'll likely take a bit longer. This spider is made up of 650 pieces, transforming a 2D masterpiece into a 3-dimensional form with intricate metal layers that bring the cyberpunk plasma ball spider to life. The first few hours aren't too complicated. You start by assembling all the smaller pieces. Once that's done, you move on to the legs. Yes, it's a bit tedious, but it's straightforward. I think things will get more interesting as the larger, more complex parts come into play since everything has to fit together perfectly. I also took the opportunity to get some good rest. Now, with recharged batteries, I'm ready to finish this up. In the end, it all comes down to being methodical, which is crucial when you're working with so many tiny pieces. Care is key to avoid losing any of them. What gives me peace of mind is that the instructions are clear and detailed. So it's just a matter of going step by step, disconnecting from everything, enjoying the process, and finally, taking in the result. It's not just me. People everywhere are loving the experience of building and bringing this spider to life. Go to mostarl.com. This is your chance to become an artist and create your own masterpiece.